Hi, my name is Becki Reed, and when I started my preschool 10 years ago, I had 5 children. I was a stay-at-home mom with 5 kids, and my youngest was 1 year old. And I saw an ad for something called Preschool in a Box, and I thought, that looks interesting, so I went and watched the little video about it. And when I was done watching the video, I said, anybody could start a preschool if they had this. And so I asked my friend if she would do it with me. She also had 5 kids, and our youngest kids were preschool age, and so we decided we would go ahead and invest in it together. And when we got the Preschool in the Box, it came in a box, and and it came at that time it was all DVDs and CDs and all that kind of stuff. Some of my favorite parts of Preschool in a Box was the website, helping me build a website. I had never done that before. My business partner had a teaching background, and I had a direct sales background, or some business background, but I hadn't done some of these things. And so having the Preschool in a Box kind of walk me through exactly what to do. And even today's version is even better. It's just a template, and then you don't have to. It's even easier than before. My other things that I've used for 10 years, so they are my favorite things. I still use the perfect sign-up formula. I have it so memorized, I kind of forget that it's not mine. That I actually learned it from Joy in Preschool in a Box. But I use that to this day, and can sign up people even on my worst days. I'm able to sign people up because of that formula. Let's see, forms. I love the forms. Being able to just kind of have everything ready, and all I had to do was add my name and tweak those things. And I still use the registration form from 10 years ago. Of course, I've added a few things here and there, but in majority of it is exactly the same for the last 10 years. I've used that form. I guess the biggest thing about Preschool in a Box is that without Preschool in a Box, I would have never thought about even starting a preschool. And I have no idea what I would have done for the last 10 years if I hadn't started that preschool and watched that video and ordered Preschool in a Box. It is absolutely changed my life and made a huge difference. So over the last 10 years, I've enrolled over 600 students and employed just under 20 employees, and all of it has been because I watched that one video and got Preschool in a Box. If you're trying to decide whether you should get the Preschool in a Box or not, absolutely get Preschool in a Box. It has everything you need to start your preschool. And then, of course, Joy has more things to help you that she developed after Preschool in a Box, like Preschool University, that has amazing stuff. But you have to have Preschool in a Box first. It gives you all the foundational things, and then when you get going, you have more things which you have access to when you're in Preschool All-Stars, which is an awesome Facebook group. So definitely get Preschool in a Box. It was the best video ad I ever watched, and the best product I've ever purchased that has changed my life and many other people's lives. So definitely get Preschool in a Box.
Hey, have you heard about Preschool in a Box? It's literally the one thing I wished I had when I started my preschool 10 years ago. It would have saved me so much time and so much money. Instead, I did the wrong things at the wrong time. Waste of time, I tell you. I can't wait to tell you all about Preschool in a Box. All the things I wished I had, like curriculum. Oh my gosh, can I even tell you how many hours I spent every single night on Pinterest and Facebook groups and the blogs and Google trying to find activities to do for lessons the next day. Or forms. What the heck was I supposed to give to my preschool families? What was I supposed to include in a policies and procedures handbook? Or marketing. How was I supposed to sign up kids? I had a preschool to fill, and I had money that I needed at the end of the month, but how was I going to get that tuition, right? All of those components are inside of Preschool in a Box, and a whole lot more. I want to get you Preschool in a Box. I've got an exclusive opportunity for you. When you join our Preschool All-Stars membership, not only will you be surrounded by myself and hundreds of preschool owners cheering you on during your journey, you get an exclusive discount on Preschool in a Box. I am talking out of this world. When people see it, they kind of lose their mind. They're so excited, ready to grab it right away. I can't wait to get you your exclusive discount on Preschool in a Box. Just join Preschool All-Stars. Click the link in the description or go to preschoolallstars.com. It's gonna be like Christmas.